So today, Obi Cubana is receiving a chieftancy title in Enugu-Ukwu called Igbo 1 of Enugu-Ukwu. Congratulations to you, Obi Cubana. Na ịma na ihe na-eme adịrị easy. Yes, so ihe anyị na-ayọzi gị na bụ ka eme gịnị ka enyelu ụmụ Igbo aka. Yes, so congratulations on your chieftancy title. But I want to use this opportunity as I congratulate you to make a special request to you that you should help our Igbo young people. Yes, the youths of Igbo. Help them to start up businesses. Help them to be gainfully employed. Help those that need help in Igbo land. It's not just good enough for you guys to be flaunting wealthy and Cubana chief priest, enviable. The rest of you guys know yourselves. Help everyone else that are in your community. If it's to come down to Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi, or wherever, you can, build like a skill acquisition center for the youths where they can learn things, let's say how to start up a business, technology, and when something like apprenticeship. And when they finish, you can help them to get a job, or you can just set up an industry or open up an agricultural, farm where young people can go and learn. There are different business ventures, whether it's agriculture, real estate, technology, healthcare. There's so many things that you can help the young people to move into. I know that you do real estate and all that, or you put your hands in a lot of things, but I think it's time that we start developing a Igbo. It should not only be about you guys. Every time you guys are celebrating this, celebrating that, you guys give these people, you guys give some young people a bag of rice, a few millions. When they see that thing will stand the test of time and change people's lives. That is what we need in Igbo. So I hope you can be able to see this video someday and think about it. I've been thinking so much about it. Okay, for when you are moving from one state to the other, one community to the other in the east, all these our highways where we have all these forests that they talk about kidnappers coming out from the bushes to kidnap people. If we have industries built in those roads, nobody will be kidnapping anybody. And this is not something for you alone. This is something for private individuals and the government to do. All these bushes that we have in our land, I could to see things that are going to be meaningful. Industries, schools, what is it called? Farms, hectares and hectares of farmland. Then all these people, when they do kidnap, they're not going to see anywhere to hide again. So anyway, I don't want to go too deeply into that. Just think about it. Find a way that you can help young people to stand on their own, to only see school, learn about technology, learn about real estate, learn about agriculture, learn about so many things. Because you are a very strong people, a very strong, resilient people. We are entrepreneurs. Even in the United States, we manufacture a lot of things. We've gone far in science and technology all around the world. And I think that it's high time we start bringing back all of that expertise back home by setting up these things and not just having our billionaires making themselves richer, buying a private jet, Rolls Royce, mansions, having real estate and all that. Give back to the society, and then you will not forget that, yes, this is what this guy has done. So anyway, congratulations once more for your Chieftancy title, and may God bless you and your family. Peace.